Supper. Wake up. We're gonna have supper.
I'm not very hungry.
Come on, eat. You can't fish and not eat.
I have.
You'll not fish without eating while I'm alive.
Then live a long time and take care of yourself.
Santiago, I could go with you again. We've made some money.
No. You're on a lucky boat now. I know you did not leave because you doubted me. It's been 84 days since I caught a fish. Stay with them.
It was Papa who made me leave. I am a boy, and I must obey him.
I know, but it's quite normal. When I was your age, I was before the mast on a square-rigged ship that ran to Africa. I have seen lions on the beaches in the evening.
Yeah, I know. He told me.
Tomorrow is going to be a good day with this current.
Where are you gonna go?
Far out, so as to come in when the wind shifts.
Santiago, how old was I when you first took me in a boat?
5. And you nearly were killed when I brought the fish in too green. And he nearly tore the boat to pieces. Can you remember?
I remember everything from when we first went together.
Good luck, Manolet.
Good luck, old man.
He's got something. Huh? There you are, little lad. You'll make a beautiful bait. There might be a big fish around this school. It has to be swimming nearby. Yes. There it is. I cannot lose this chance. This far out, he must be huge in this month. Eat it. Come on, fish, eat it. He will take it. God help him to take it. Come up easy and let me put the harpoon into you. Are you ready? Now! the fish. He can't be that big. I hope he doesn't know there is only one man against him. An old man. I must convince him of my strength. I convinced everybody else that time in the tavern in Casablanca when I played the hand game with that great black who was the strongest man on the docks. We had gone one day and one night facing one another. Our forearms were straight up, the hands gripped tight. We were trying to force each other's hand down on the table. There was much betting. And people went in and out of the room under the kerosene lamps.
11 hours and still counting.
They changed the referees every 4 hours.